Snyder here. It is the 27th morning of August 2016, and I showed you this overlay of the Mare Oriental Basin flipped over Africa, and this is like the perfect alignment of this crater over the Earth. I mean, it is just so perfect right here where it is. It's just absolutely beautiful the way that it fits right here. I mean, you can even go on to, what is it? I'll show you later. I don't want to go through all my stuff and show everybody all my stuff. So anyways, this is just a perfect alignment right here. It absolutely is. I mean, it's like I showed before with a perfect finally, and I could bring up, I showed you this already in a video, this alignment here, and let me see, I'll bring up this other one. Where's that at? Right here. Takes a second. Okay, so here's another image of the Mare Oriental Basin. This is a NASA drawing, shaded relief or whatever, of the Mare Oriental Basin flipped over backwards over, let's just put it over that same pattern right here, and you can see the whole thing pretty much right here. It is the same pattern over the Earth in the weather. Shows, I mean, the Earth itself has the same pattern on the land. So, I mean, at this size, now I just want to show you the size of that crater on the moon compared to how it leaves this pattern on the Earth. Okay, this is the size it leaves on the Earth, all over the planet. Now, this is all, not just here in Africa. This pattern is all around the Earth, all over the Earth. Every continent pretty much has a pattern from this crater at, excuse me, at this size. Now I failed to see how a crater on the moon at that size, this is the size they say it is. That's the size they say that crater is, how it can create this crater on the Earth, this pattern on the Earth at this size. That little, see that? That's a big difference, huge difference. I measured between these 2 points on the moon, this crater and this crater, in the center of each one, it came to like 95 miles. So that's 95 miles between those 2 craters right there. And on here, on on this pattern, you got 525 miles. So that's like, you know, over 5 times the size they say it is. So I think that's pretty interesting. I mean, even if the moon was really close to the Earth, I mean, it would have to be, that crater would have to be the same size as you see it over the Earth to make that pattern on the Earth. It couldn't be this big and leave this big of a pattern on the Earth, unless it's super magnetic or I don't know. That's what we have to ask ourselves, because that is interesting that a crater like that could create a pattern like this size on the Earth. Because I've been showing this to you for years. I mean, this is definitely over the Earth. This pattern is all over the place, over here, over there, everywhere. Mare Oriental. It's called Mare Oriental. This is the entire Orient right here. This is what they call this is the Orient. The East means the East. But they call that Mare Oriental because it's directly related to this circular pattern on the Earth. 3,200 miles across this pattern. Same size as the Arctic Circle. 3,200 miles across. And basically that's what size this is right here. If you go from out here to out here, I'm pretty sure that's about the right size. From here, this ring to that ring, yeah, you get like 3,200 miles, pretty close. See that? From out here to here, pretty close. 3,200 miles. This crater right here fits perfectly over this part too. The weather will match it, everything. I don't know what the weather looks like right now, but I mean it's on everybody else to do whatever to figure it out, because I mean I've already figured it out. I've already got it figured out. So it's I'm just trying to show you. That's a good alignment right there. It's accurate to the pattern size that's on the Earth right here. And it's showing that. Look at it today. It's showing that crater here. It looks like, but this is the right alignment. It's just showing the weather is moving across from over here this way or something. That this is you see the size of that weather pattern right there. See that spot? That goes with that. That's the same as this spot right here. I mean it's over there, but I'm not. This pattern is correctly aligned right now. You can see the way that it's aligned around Lake Victoria, the mountain there. See how it comes around? It's accurately aligned. So I just want to point that out. That's an important one. This is like the beginning of this answers like all your questions once you figure this out and realize that it's here. I'm just going to show you that one thing. I got to show it to you, I guess. I think it's up here, right here. Okay, so you go over to Africa on this thing, and you can see that spot right here. See that area? That where it's got this right here. I know that's or whatever it is. This particulates or whatever the hell. But it's right. You'll see a big circular pattern right here, right in this same spot where the Congo is. Okay. Usually it's more circular. But anyways, just wanted to point that out. Have a good day.